Hey drummers, I'm Jim Linsner and this is Danusha Beats on video and editing. A pocket chop is a drum fill that has the snare drum on 2 and 4. That's all. And the cool thing about it is when you keep that backbeat in there, it kind of makes the fill sound more grounded and more like a groove or a pocket. So that's what we're going to talk about today. And I've heard a lot of drummers do pocket chops in 16th notes, but today I'm going to show you how you can play a pocket chop in 32nd notes. Totally cool, really exciting. Let's get into it. So 32nd notes, if you haven't played them before, you're just playing 32 notes per measure. And if you divide that by 4 beats, you're actually playing just 8 notes per beat. It's pretty fast, but a great way to verbalize it and internalize it is by clapping quarter notes and counting this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 yen, 2 yen, 3 yen, 3 yen, 4 yen, 4 yen, 1 yen, 2 yen, 3 yen, 4 yen, 4 yen, 1. Okay? Now, the fill we're going to play today is only half of a measure long. And that means your count is going to be more like 1 and 2 and 3 and 3 and 4 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 3 and 4 and 4 and 1. So we're going to take those 16 notes, right? 3 and 3 and 4 and 4 and instead of playing them just on the snare, that'd be pretty boring. We're going to split this up between the kick drum and the right hand and the left hand. And the pattern we're going to do is really pretty simple. It's just kick, right, left, played 5 times. That's 15 notes, and then 1 extra kick drum note. Okay? So all in all, you're playing kick, right, left, 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 kick, kick. Okay, the last kick, of course, is the crash on 1 in the next measure. Okay, so let's move this over to the drums. I'm going to play right hand and floor tom, left hand on small tom, and I'll play it real slow for you, then I'll speed it up a little bit. Okay, now we're going to turn it into a pocket chop. What I want you to do is play the 3rd left hand note on the snare instead of the small tom. So it's going to go kick, right, left, 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 kick, kick. Got it? I'll play it slowly and then fast. So whenever I get a pattern that I really like, I try to move it around the drums in 100 different ways, just as many ways as I can, in the hopes that I'll find something really special. So we're going to do that a little bit today. What I want to do is I want to change the orchestration, okay? We're going to play the first 2 notes on the small tom, next 2 on the medium tom, and then the next 3 right lefts on the floor tom, okay? That's going to sound like this. And then, again, we're going to take the 3rd left-hand note and play that on the snare. Kick, small, small, kick, medium, medium, kick, floor, snare, kick, floor, floor, kick, floor, floor, kick, crash. I always love when I hear a really fast fill and it's got one cymbal bell note in it. And so what I want to do is I want to make one little change. We're gonna do the exact same thing we just did, but before the snare drum, instead of playing a floor tom, I want you to play the bell of the cymbal, okay? So, kick, small, small, kick, medium, medium, kick, bell, snare, kick, floor, floor, kick, floor, floor, kick, crash. In the last example we're going to do, I want to play 2 notes on the small, 2 on the medium, then the last 3 right lefts I want you to play floor tom, then snare drum. It sounds really cool having the extra snare drum notes in there. Check it out. Okay, so that's a wrap for 30-second note pocket chop number 1. Make sure you take that pattern and move it around the drum set in a lot of different ways. And just because we're calling this a pocket chop doesn't mean you can only have 1 note on the snare drum. You can have as many notes on the snare drum as you like. Stay tuned for future episodes where we'll delve into some other hand-foot patterns that work in 30-second notes. I'm Jim Linsner. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time.